Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sarah. I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. And today I want to talk to you guys about, or show you guys, my everyday makeup routine. This is a really easy makeup routine that I can do in under 10 minutes, which I absolutely love. Also, if you don't know, I'm a minimalist. So everything that I do, well, not technically a minimalist, but I like to have very little clutter. I've pretty much Marie Kondo'd my life, and all my makeup that I use on a daily basis that I've been using for an entire year has been in this little makeup pouch, which is amazing. This is some of the best makeup on the market that I have personally found, and I have been using this to create looks for day and night. All the makeup I'm going to mention to you guys today is life-changing. I truly believe that if you have this makeup that you're not going to need very much after this. I'm super excited to be doing this routine with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Hourglass primer. This is just a mineral veil primer that I've had forever. It actually comes in a glass tube or a glass bottle, but I have this tube because it's just nice to refill the glass bottle. And I have my Hourglass kabuki brush. This is again a really amazing brush to have because I don't think I've been using another foundation brush for a long time. Like I said, probably a year or more than that. So I take about this much onto my face and I dot it around and blend. Easy, right? And this forms like a really nice film, and my foundation that is also Hourglass just kind of glides on, which I absolutely love. It works perfectly with this. My foundation is this Hourglass, I don't know what it is, but it's the stick foundation, and it is incredible. It's full coverage, and obviously you can build it up or keep it light as you want, but because I'm doing daytime makeup, I'm not going to go crazy. And then using circular motions, I kind of just blend it out. It literally blends like a breeze. This is just one little thing that I've done, and it's so easy. One little thing, one little layer. Sorry guys, my coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Next, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer. I love this product because it is so blendable and sheer, and then leaves my under eye skin kind of dewy, which I love, and I love the application of it. Again, I'm going to take the same kabuki brush, and then I kind of just dab it just to make sure that everything is looking nice and even. And that's it. Can you see the sheen? It's so pretty. I love Charlotte Tilbury makeup, by the way, you guys. It's like she knows how to make makeup, and that's why she's probably one of the best makeup artists in the world, right? Okay, I'm gonna have some coffee because clearly I need it. Next, I am going to fill in my brows. I did get microbladed about a year and a half ago, but my eyebrows are just slightly lacking color. I like them to be just a tad bit more defined. So I am going to use this Benefit Brow Styler, and then I use just any kabuki to kind of brush it out. And then I'm going to fill them in. I love this makeup routine, you guys, because it's so easy to take from day to night, depending on how you intensify the makeup, which is really amazing. It's life-changing, but I'm telling you, because I don't take any other makeup with me, even when I travel. I don't need to. And also, when I'm traveling, I don't like to have too much stuff with me. Just lugging everything around. It's like my biggest nightmare in life, especially when Rami's not with me, because usually he's the one who carries all of our stuff, but just to make it easier for Rami too, I don't like to do it. Okay, sorry, I was just trying to find my kabuki brush. Moving on, I am now going to put on my eyeshadow, and I really love the Charlotte Tilbury one. It's a beautiful day to night color. It's the Eyes to Mesmerize, Hot, and Betty. And then I just take my ring finger, and all I do is just dab this onto my eyelid and kind of spread it around. And then I take the Sephora brush. It is the Pro Featherweight Crease Brush, number 38. And then I just blend on the eyelid like so, just to make sure that the area between the crease and the eyelid is blended, so it doesn't look like I just threw some makeup on there. And then using my ring finger again, just take a tad bit of it on my eyes. I don't like to, I try to start a little bit slower only because I don't like to take it on all in the first go in case it becomes too intense, because this is a really beautiful buildable formula. So I just take it easy. All right, I think that looks really good. Because this is for daytime, I don't want to overdo it. If you do like to put just a tad bit on the center of the eyelids to kind of make it pop a little, just to solidify that bronzy color, you can do so. That's it. And then I'm gonna take this eye pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the color Chameleon in Bronze Garnet. This is specifically made for green eyes. She has these beautiful colors in this entire range for different eye colors. So all I've done is I take this pencil and I kind of just roughly line my lower lash line with it, and then I just take my ring finger and I literally just do like this swipe motion. There's really nothing to it. I'm not a professional, you guys. This is just something that I figured out for myself. So now you can see that it's really just made my eyes pop, which is amazing. And we are almost done with eyes. I'm just gonna take this eyelash curler. This is again by Charlotte Tilbury. This is one of the best ones that I found on the market. I'm giving my lashes a little bit of a break because I used to have extensions, but this has really helped me get my lash health back. And then I'm using this full fat lashes again by Charlotte Tilbury. You will see that I am a huge Charlotte Tilbury fan. Okay, I'm gonna let this settle really quick. And then if I have time, because I did say this is under 10 minutes, I might put on a second coat, but I'm very happy with the way it looks right now. Then I am taking this Too Faced bronzer. This is Chocolate Soleil. I think this is like a holy grail item for like a lot of beauty bloggers, so I'm pretty sure you would have seen this on YouTube. And I'm taking this Too Faced brush. It's called Mr. Right. The bronzer is a really beautiful color for my skin tone, kind of like a darker olive. This is the medium deep shade. I think it comes in a lighter shade and it blends effortlessly. I also like that it's matte, so for the daytime you look perfectly bronzed without all the extra glitter on your face. And then this is my new favorite. This is the CHIC blush and pillow talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm taking this Hourglass brush. This is the number 2, and then I do like a little swirl and a pop. And also I just recently learned that if you smile really wide and then just put the blush right on the apples of your cheek. This is the Charlotte Tilbury FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow palette. I'm taking like the tiny bit of this highlighter and just popping it in here. By in here, I mean on my face. Gosh. I love this makeup. It's so fast and so easy. And last but not least, this JOUER lip cream in Charmed. This is my favorite shade, you guys. Like literally, JOUER sent this to me, I don't know, like 8 months ago. This is the only lip color I carry in my makeup. It looks a little bit lilac right now, but when it dries, it's really like a really beautiful pink, but like an everyday pink. And it's really opaque and you can build it up. Look, see, it's already drying and it's so beautiful. Just wakes up your face. I love this color so much. As you can see, I use my trusty ring finger for like a lot of blending. Also, if you have some time, you can use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and it's just this clear gel that I put onto my eyebrows. It kind of just makes them stay all day. I'm just gonna quickly touch up my brow just a little bit. Last step is Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I think I've used this my entire life. Like I remember when I was in college and I went to Sephora for the first time because I could actually afford like more expensive makeup. This is like one of the first things I bought, and I have been using this ever since. I let this dry, and honestly, if you don't use a makeup setting spray, you absolutely need to, because it takes away the cakiness and it blends everything together so perfectly, and then also gives it a really dewy, beautiful glow. And that's it, you guys. super simple. All right, this is it for my makeup. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to take this look from day to night, you can always intensify the eyeshadow and then also the blush and the bronzer, and then maybe also throw on a little bit more highlight. But other than that, you're good to go. It's super simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you would like to see more from me. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I hope to see you guys very soon. Take care.